Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch. Last time that we have a video review, it was the T900 Pro Max L smartwatch. And as you can see here, we have a 2.0 infinite display of the Series 9 Apple Watch clone. This time we are going to go and explore the T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch. It is an upgraded Apple Watch clone in the Series 9 category, and as you can see here, 2.3 infinite display compared to the previous wearable that has 2.0 screen display. We are going to explore the design of this smartwatch as well as the other features of the wearable. If you have any questions regarding the T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Okay, so let's explore the T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch. Let's have the unboxing of its design as well as a preview of its UI. So here's the box. It is similar to the T900 Pro Max L smartwatch. Okay, so at the back we have here some specifications of the, or some features of the wearable. And we have here the size. It is 38 by 49 millimeter smartwatch with 11 millimeter thickness. And it is using the iWatch Ultra support app. Okay, so let's remove the plastic here. So seems like we do have a black color for its strap, or maybe the body frame. Let's see. Here are the contents of the T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch. We have here the user manual, available in English and Chinese language. We have, okay, so this one, I think it's a screen protector. We have a flexible, sporty silicone strap. We have a charging cradle, still USB Type-C. So this one, for a connector for the smartwatch. And of course, I think it is magnetic. Okay, we'll check it later on. And of course, we have the smartwatch. Again, the contents are, we have the user manual, a free screen protector, black sporty silicone strap, charging cradle, and the smartwatch. Going back to the wearable, or going back to the charger, I think it is magnetic. Okay, as expected. And we have here the smartwatch. So let's remove this. Let's clean the screen. There's a bit of oil and paste, I think. Okay, so it looks good so far. The finish is okay or good. We have a metallic black color. We still have the big crown button here, rotary, I think, the side button, and at the back we have this PC material. I don't think it's ceramic, but we have the power connector here, the sensor. We don't have screws or watch strap lock. For the weight, let's check. Power on. 00, we have less than 36 grams, or we can round it off to 36 grams. And with the strap, with the strap attached, we have more than 52 grams, or 52 grams. Okay, so far it is a lightweight, sporty smartwatch, and with a I think beautiful body frame. Let's see if we can attach this one easily. So there's no watch strap lock, so you just have to slide it in. So it is force fitting. Hopefully it is. Okay, attached tightly to the body frame. Okay, so that's it for our T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch design. So far it looks decent. Much better than the T900 Pro Max L smartwatch. Again, this is in the Series 9 category. So let's turn it on and see the UI of the smartwatch. So we can check out the screen display. Long press. Okay. So good speaker so far. Very loud. It says here 2.3 infinite display. Let's see if this is rotary. Yes. So far it works smoothly, and as you can see here, we do have a very slim black border. Much better compared to other models. 2.3 infinite display. And we have support for always on display. So let's check out the UI. On top we have the notification function. On the bottom part we have the different settings here for your smartwatch. Shortcut to the different settings of your smartwatch, including multiple menu style. So we are very familiar with the style here, or the setup. On the left side we have the all-in-one page for the different or important features of the wearable. As you can see here, we have common functions such as sports, weather, daily activity tracking, music control. We also have a calculator, and this one, what's this? The QR code. On the right side we have the different cards such as music control, health cyclic here, heart rate, dial pad, and that's it. To access the main menu, just press the power button, I think. Let's see. Yes, and this is the, I think it is the return button. No, it is somewhat okay. So we have here window type menu. So all app, press this one and you can cycle to the different features. Does it work like a return menu? Let's see. Yes, it also works like a return menu. Press again for the menu, and we have here the menus and the different features of the T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch. On our next video, we are going to dive in more to the offered features of our T900 Pro Max GL smartwatch. Again, let's have a closer look at the design of this wearable. Glossy black metallic finish. 2.3 inch, I think, IPS LCD screen display. If you have any questions or requests for the wearable or other smartwatches, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have the time. Bye.